Hi, everybody. So this is your Intro to Delta Math assignment, and I'm just going to kind of go through a few things. I don't have all of the buttons on here, so just bear with me. First thing that I want you guys all to know is that like in the upper right-hand corner, instead of student help video, it'll also have like a few buttons where if you click tools and it drops down, you can click manage. It says like manage login. And when you scroll to the bottom of that, you can actually put in the teacher code, which is 289236. And then it'll pop up mine. You pick your correct class period. Make sure that you're in the correct class period because it's really hard for me to give you feedback on something that I cannot find. Okay, so there's that. Now moving on to the other stuff. So if you go to our first one, which is exponent rules, and it says 2 to the 6 times 3, well, then that's 6 and 1, so that's going to be a 7. So you have to keep a lookout. So you notice that this 3 is at the bottom and this is slightly above. That means it's an exponent. So you're actually just going to type in whatever exponent answer you have. And this is how you will do every Delta Math assignment. You're going to write down the problem in your notebook. You'll put 3 to the 6 times 3 equals 3 to the 7th. In your notebook, very clearly, you will put the title of the assignment, which is Intro to Delta Math, at the top of your page. You will be required to give me some pictures if I don't think you're actually doing the work yourself. So you need to keep that, you should have your notebook. This is your notebook. You should have Intro to Delta Math at the top. Number 1, do your problem. Number 2. I will make some exception to the point like, yes, the basic exponent rules are fairly easy, but you do need to have at least 2 to 3 problems written down. And the reason why is this. So let's say I go here and I'm going to put 5 and I get the wrong answer. Okay, I submit the answer. It gives me another attempt. I'm going to click 5 again. And I'm going to go, okay, well, I got it wrong. It tells you exactly how to do it along with the reasoning, and that's very important. So if you get it wrong, you're going to mark wrong and put the correct reasoning, and that is all of this. Okay, so if you get it wrong, you need to write down one of the methods, method 1 or method 2. Make sure that if it says anything over here, that's in your notebook as well. Okay, so that's how you do Delta Math. Going on, so this is how you put in square roots. So if your answer requires a square root, you're going to click the square root button. But let's say that button isn't there. You click on this button here, which looks like a little keyboard, and you click it down, and it's going to expand all of this stuff so that way you can type in your answers, your variables, whatever you need to do. Okay, now going back, so that's Pythagorean theorem. Plotting points quadrant 1. Okay, so it'll say plot 6 comma 1. Well, that means 6 is x comma 1. You plot your point. Now when you're working with the graphs and you want to delete, you have to touch the point again or the line that you just made. So you'll see it kind of hover. You put your dot, you press submit, press yes. Okay, go to the next one. If you want to see all of the sections of your assignment, that's here. So just to point out, the blue is the title of your homework assignment. All of these things below are the sections or the topics. For this intro assignment, I'd like you to do 1 or 2 to 3 problems from each of these things. I do not grade the Delta Math. I just check to see if you've completed it. That also means that it doesn't go in the grade book either. So don't ask me if I'm going to grade your Delta Math. However, I do count it for you though in terms of your level of understanding. So if I see that you're getting a lot of problems correct, then I'm like, okay, well, let's see their work. Okay, they kind of get it. So this also helps you. This also takes into account. So if I see you didn't do well and you if I see you didn't do well and you didn't do the assignment, you get a 0. Okay, so you have to do the Delta Math because it counts towards your overall quiz grade. And that's about it. Just an intro to the assignment, and have a great day. Thank you.